y'all! So today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. I am going to be turning myself into a pumpkin spice latte. So as you can see, I am equipped, and yeah, I think that's pretty self-explanatory. So we're just going to go ahead and get started. I think once the weather goes below 80 degrees in Louisiana, fall is officially upon us, and so you have to commemorate it by something ridiculous. So that's what I'm doing today. I have already finished my base makeup all the way up until my bronzer because I just feel like that's all. So I've done my brows, I've done my bronzer, I've done my foundation and concealer and primer and all that good stuff, my powder. So we're just gonna move on. So blush. I am going to go in with the mineral blush from Bella Pierre. It's in this little container. It is in the shade Autumn Glow. So, of course I have to use it. I got this once in a bag from Ipsy, and I think I've used it all of 2 times since then, so I remember it looking pretty, but it's kind of new to me. Alright, so we're just gonna, ooh, girl, yes. Ooh, that's nice. Now, I am feeling myself getting tempted because I kind of want to take this across my nose. I saw somebody do that in a pumpkin spice tutorial the other day. It was Rachel Maxey, and it looked really cute, so I'm kind of debating it. I'm gonna do it. What the heck. I think I'm gonna use a smaller brush though. I'm actually gonna use my little bronzer brush, and I'm just gonna grab the tiniest little cinnamon whisper of that. Speaking of cinnamon, I heated up my latte earlier and decided to add some cinnamon. Alright, so I'm just going to kind of dot that where my bronzer would usually go. You know, where people put their bronzer to make it look like they have a little button nose. Kind of across the bridge of my nose. I probably shouldn't have used a shiny color for that. I think that's a really pretty blush. I really like the shade on me. I think it's nice. Now I'm going to go into this shade from this e.l.f. palette. It's a blush duo, and it is in Rosy Flush. And I'm thinking I'm going to go into that shade. Maybe I'll go into the other one. Nope, definitely this one. So it might be more of a pinky color than that blush that I just put on, but at least it's matte. Okay, so we're just going to brush that. This is so weird. I've never done this before. I've never put my blush across my nose. Just adding a bit more blush because who doesn't want that? I kind of want to take it like up on the cheekbones. That way we get that kind of young looking vibe. I'm looking very windswept. Yeah, we're just going to roll with it. That's pretty cute. I think that's cute. Alright, I'm going to move on to eyes, and for the sake of time, I'm going to just speed it up. I'm going to be using all of my Moda Pro brushes that I got in my BoxyCharm last month, and also this flat eyeshadow brush from e.l.f. And for eyeshadow, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild palette Rosé in the Air. It's got these really lovely, you know, fall shades in it, but I really picked it for this shade down here, which is literally exactly the color that my latte was earlier today. It's like exactly the same color. It's that nice like pumpkin butternut color. So yeah, that was why I picked this palette. So let's see what kind of a look I can create. my eyeliner. It is from Essence, and it is their Extreme Lasting Eyeliner in But First Espresso. So it's supposed to be waterproof, 16-hour wear, yada yada yada. So this is the finished eye look. I really kind of like it. I rarely do like orangey eye looks, but I feel like it's really making my blue eyes pop. Just kind of reminds me of like all the warm, buttery goodness of fall. For lips, I'm going to be going in with 3 different products from ColourPop. First up is their lip pencil in BFF. And then I'm going to go in with their Luxe lipstick. It's the Disney Villains one in the shade Hades. And then I'm going to go in with their Designer Collection Ultra Glossy Lip in the shade Boppity. So I'm just going to speed that process up as well. I'm just going to go in with my Ofra highlighter in Star Island. It's kind of yellowy, so I feel like it's kind of going on with that warm vibe we got going on. Ooh, honey, yes. Ooh. I'm going to take some of that on a little bitty pencil brush, and I'm going to put it on my lip. Being very careful not to touch it to my actual lip. I'm going to put a little bit of it on my brow bone up here, and then a little bit of it on my inner corner. Now just going with my e.l.f. Matte Magic Mist and Set. Move the bangs, save the bangs. I never thought I'd say this, but I really love this look. Gonna curl my eyelashes, and then I'm gonna go in with the Urban Decay Perversion Mascara. It's the waterproof one. I just got this the other day, so hopefully it turns out pretty good. Ow! It lets you get really close to your eyelid. Okay, so it's got kind of a standard bristle brush. Okay, so I think you can see what that's doing to my lashes. It looks really, really good. It's just a really solid mascara. I think that pretty much anybody can use this and be happy with it. It's very, very easy. I like it, even though it smells like a Sharpie. Alright y'all, so this is the completed look. I think it turned out absolutely fantastic. I will definitely be recreating this again in the future. I just feel like it was so easy, and the fact that, like, you know, 3/4 of it was created using drugstore products, I think is pretty decent, if I do say so myself. But I definitely feel like a fall queen, pumpkin spice latte, basic white girl, you know? I just feel like a little fallen leaf. If you liked this and this is something you would like to recreate, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Help me out. Help me get a little recognition. And I will see you guys after I finish this latte, that's for sure. That's about it for me. Okay, bye!